Hi and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this Flax Seed Gel edge control for natural hair. This Flax Seed Gel adds great hold to your natural hair without making it crunchy. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support so far. So to get started with this Flax Seed Gel edge control, I'm going to be using a flax seed. For those that doesn't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. So I just got this one, this organic flax seed gel. So you can get this in any store around you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of flax seed gel. And if you don't have a measuring spoon and you're using a kitchen scale, you're going to measure 30 grams of flax seed, as I'm doing at this point. Then the next I'm adding 2 cups of distilled water. And if you're using a kitchen scale, you're going to measure 466 grams of distilled water. So after adding it into the pot, I'm going to cook it for 10-15 minutes. So I will cook this until there's a white foam on top of this. So as you can see, the gel is ready at this point. There's a white foam on the top, as I mentioned earlier. So the next, I'm going to strain it with a bowl and a strainer. So after straining it, I'm going to measure out the quantity I need. So at this point, I'm measuring out 100 grams of flaxseed gel. Then next, I'm adding sweet almond oil. If you don't have sweet almond oil, you can use castor oil for this. 20 grams of sweet almond oil. And I'm going to mix it to combine both the oil and the flaxseed gel. Then the next ingredient is my glycerin. So here I have 20 grams of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use honey for this gel. Then the next ingredient is my xanthan gum. I measured 20 grams of glycerin and 4 grams of xanthan gum. I'm going to mix the both to combine it. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws water from the atmosphere to your hair. So I'm going to mix this. So after mixing it very well, the next step is to add it to the flaxseed gel. I'm going to gently, as I pour it, I'm mixing immediately so that it doesn't clump. So I'm going to mix this. After 5 to 10 minutes of mixing it, then it will become thicker. So at this point, add vitamin E oil. So I'm adding 2 grams of vitamin E oil, and the next is my fragrance. I'm using essential oil, vanilla to be precise. So I'm adding 1.50 grams of essential oil. At this step, the next thing I'm adding is my preservative. I'm adding 1 gram of preservative to this gel. For your preservative, please follow the manufacturer's instruction on how to use it. So I'm going to mix to combine the ingredients together to make sure everything is combined, well mixed. So guys, at this point, this Flax Seed Gel edge control is ready. The next step is to transfer it into a sterilized container. So this flaxseed edge control can last you for between 6 to 1 year, as long as there's no water did not come in contact with it. So it will last you 6 to 1 year. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so for more interesting videos coming your way. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you have any question, please don't forget to use the comment section. Don't forget to share my videos, like them, and subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.